The rebuilding of Haiti demands much labor in every arena. Rubble removal, road construction, rebuilding of government offices, hospitals, schools, government-assisted housing, parks, airports, and marine ports. We must help the rebuilding of the private sector in the earthquake-torn areas. There is work to be done, and we will work on the implementation of job creation. We will set up new businesses in the provinces, such as farms, factories, academic and trade schools to create opportunities for Haitians to return to their hometowns where they grew up, knowing that they will have the tools available to succeed. We need to make Haiti business-friendly. An individual should be able to set up a business within 3 business days. By removing the red tape, we will open the doors to investments at all levels. We need to provide access to small business loans. Special tax incentives will be offered for all investments outside of the metropolitan area, with greater incentives given when further from the capital. Job creation is key to create social and economic stability.